Hello, it's Mrs. Mann here, and I'm going to teach you some fun little number poems that will teach your little learner the formation, and they're really easy to use to remember. And I actually, whenever I'm doing a number, I say the little poem first, and it really seems to stick. So I have this little ring here from numbers 1 to 10. It keeps them all together. You don't lose one. And then actually, double purpose, I have put some of the dots on the back too. So you can use the cards two ways. So here it goes. I'm just going to trace it with my finger, and 1 to 10. Here we go. Straight line 1 is lots of fun. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Around a tree and around a tree. That is how we make a 3. Down and across and down once more. That is how we make a 4. Down the road, around the lake, give it a hat, and a 5 we make. Around the clock until it ticks. That is how we make a 6. Across the sky, then make a line. We'll make a 7 every time. Make an S and do not wait. Race back up to make an 8. Make a circle and then a line. And that is how we make a 9. Number 10 is the hero. First the 1 and then the 0. So there you go. Fun little poems from numbers 1 to 10.
Hello, it's Miss Hake back with some number fun. All right, just like the video, we are going to make numbers 1 to 9 with our fingers, and we're going to dip our fingers in paint. Whew. When I say fingers, I mean pick one finger on one hand to get dirty. It's going to be a lot easier for cleanup and for you to get up and touch other things if you only get one finger dirty. Also, pro tip, give each student only one color. If more colors are at the table, then students tend to mix them all together and you get a really lovely color of brown, and there go your beautiful paint pots for the rest of the year. All right, so I've chose to use blue today for my numbers. You may choose to give them a pre-made tracer sheet that's either numbers laminated or dot-to-dot numbers. They could be really small, or you could choose to give them a number that's really big per page if they're making a number book. Totally up to you what you want to do. But make sure it's at least this big, though, so they can get the rhythm of making the number with their finger. Okay, it's time to make our numbers with paint. So exciting. I have my smock on. I'm ready. My sleeves are rolled up. I'm choosing this finger, Peter Pointer, to do all of the beautiful painting. I'm going to make sure that I don't put too much on my finger because I don't want it to smudge. So I'm actually going to take it out of the cap. See? So it's going to go look like this. Woo! 1. I'm going to need more. Look at that. And across. So down and across. There's my number 1. Do you remember what the video said? 2. Start there. Go around. Ooh, and across. So nice. Kind of feels slimy. Down. Whoop, and around. What number did I just make? A 3. And you're going to keep going and going and going until you get to 10. And then when you're done, make sure you put the lid on your paint, because if someone accidentally spills your paint, it's going to be quite a mess to tidy up. Don't itch your face or high-five anybody or touch your hair, or else you're going to end up with blue everywhere. So you're going to go to your wash up sink and you're going to wash your hands while your beautiful numbers dry. I only got 1, 2, 3 done, but I'm going to work on the rest to get all 10 numbers done. See you soon. Have fun. Bye.